Good day, students. Today we want to see part 2 of balancing chemical equations. You want to you will be asked to complete the reactions that takes place at the reactant side to give us the product side. In part 1, you are given the equation, both the reactant and the product, and you have to balance the equation. But in this case, what you are treating today in part 2 is to form the product from the reactant and also balance the equation appropriately. Let's see what's on the board. We have calcium is cation. It will go to join the chlorine to form calcium chloride. Calcium chloride, there's no compound like this. You put 2 here, calcium chloride, because you know calcium has positive ion, 2 positive. That's why 2 has to be here. Anytime you see 2 here, it will cross to this side. So like when you're having calcium chloride like this, calcium chloride, these 2 go here, while this -1 that is here, there's -1 that is here, it comes here to form 1. 1 comes here. That's why you didn't see anything here. It's 1. Okay, this 2 is for this cation, the ion on top of calcium. That's why when you are writing it, don't ever write calcium chloride like this. It's wrong. Always consider the ion on top of this. It will be here. It's signifying that you have ion that is positive 2 here. Okay, take note of that. Calcium, this positive, negative come together. Calcium chloride. Now let's see. We have hydrogen here. It will form water because we're having oxygen plus H2O. Always know, since we're having hydrogen and you're having CO3 here, it will form water. We are left with 2 oxygen left because we've brought 1 oxygen to join this hydrogen. We are left with 2 oxygen, which is CO2 plus CO2. But in the course of forming this product, we have added another hydrogen here, in which we need to balance. Okay, we have 1 calcium, 2 chlorine. We have 2 here, 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 2 plus 1, that's 3 oxygen. Okay, solid, gas. Okay, now we have balanced it. Now the next one is here. This sodium is positive, is Na positive, chlorine is Cl minus. That's why it will join the cation and anion, join with this sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride, solid. When that one forms, sodium chloride plus H plus hydroxide, sodium hydroxide forming sodium hydroxide joining with HCl. That's neutralization reaction. Salt and acid and base. This base and acid to form salt and water. Okay, H2O, base and acid to form salt and water. Okay, the liquid. Let's see whether it's balanced. 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. That has been formed. Now let's see this other one. Copper, join with this. Copper is 2 positive, chlorine is negative. Now these 2 will be here to tell us that is this now be copper 2 chloride. This 2 is for this copper here. We now form copper 2 chloride. Okay, since you have it like that, how many chlorine? Okay, we have not finished. Copper 2 chloride plus hydrogen molecule H2. How many copper? One copper. How many chlorine? 2. Add your 2 here to balance it. You now come here. You have added 2 here already. Is solid gas. Okay, 1 copper, 2 chlorine. 2 is affecting this chlorine. 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Let's see this other one. Hydrogen molecule combined with oxygen molecules to give us water. Okay, or steam, which is gas. Now we're having H2, 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Now add 2 here so that I can have 2 oxygen, but because of adding 2 to balance this oxygen, you have to add 2 here because it has 4 hydrogen has been formed. 2 times 2 4. This still remain 2. You add 2 here. You're having 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen at the reactant side. At the product side, we're having 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. That means that our equation is balanced. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.